The Cami button opens up a lot of possibilities for creation and collaboration. Whether you're looking to turn materials into a Cami assignment or you want to add multimedia comments to your instructions, using the Cami button allows you to elevate any teaching resource. Let's take a look. Have you ever noticed the Open in Cami button that exists in a lot of different places? So for example, here in Jamboard, we'll see the Cami button is right here at the top right. Or in Google Slides, we'll see it up here. Or in a Google Sheet, we'll see it right here. And lastly, in a Google Doc, we'll see it right here. So take a look at this assignment. The assignment is for students to rewrite the following sentences in French and then record themselves speaking the sentences aloud. Well, they can't do that in Google Docs, so they'll need to simply click, and this assignment will get pushed straight into Cami. Teachers can click convert to a new file and it opens right up in Cami. Now they can set this activity up where students can record themselves and do all sorts of things that they would never be able to do in Google Docs. It is important to note that the Open in Cami button also exists in PowerPoint, Word, Canva, and even Teachers Pay Teachers. Be on the lookout for the Cami button because it will streamline your workflow. Also, if you can't find it, make sure you have the Google Chrome extension installed.